Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We have a Chevy Cruze, okay, and on the dash, guys, on the radio where it says your outside air temperature, it says -40, guys, and you notice that your air conditioner doesn't work, guys. We'll explain what causes that in today's video. Quick introduction, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do here at the shop. If you need any tools, parts, we'll have the links, guys, in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out now, guys. So Chevy Cruze, guys, that's probably the only car that I've seen something like that. When I first noticed that the dash was saying -40 degrees outside, our AC quit working, okay, and I noticed, okay, probably something to do with that, because it was just simultaneous at the same time. And what happened, guys, okay, on that Chevy Cruze, guys, when it reads -40, it means that it's not reading the ambient air temperature correctly, and it's giving you that wrong information. So what is causing that now, guys? You have a sensor that is integrated in the front bumper of that car, okay, and if you look in the bumper, the front left corner on the driver's side, right here, you have that sensor. That sensor is known as Ambient Air Temperature Sensor. That sensor, guys, detects how hot the air is, and it tells you on the radio screen. Now, if the sensor is bad or it's unplugged, okay, most of the times they just come loose, especially if you tapped it somewhere. What will happen, actually, you will get, guys, okay, wrong reading. You'll say -40, and your AC most likely will not work because of that sensor, because they're, guys, connected, okay, in that way, and if it doesn't work, the AC doesn't work. So it's very important for that sensor to work. Now, if you want to see how to remove, replace it, or check the connection, we have the video on the channel. You do not have to remove your bumper. What we usually do, guys, okay, we go underneath, okay, and we remove that plastic piece underneath, guys, and you can reach the sensor that way. It's not very complicated at all. And if you need to, okay, you can see right here, and if you need to purchase, guys, okay, one sensor, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, and that should take care of your problem. If you guys replace your sensor and you get temperature that is correct on the radio information screen, but the AC still doesn't work, guys, we have a video on the channel that explains the top 5 reasons why your AC may not work. So please, guys, check it out. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.